So here we'll be introducing with the topic lowest common multiple or LCM. So LCM of two or more numbers is the least number which is divisible by each of the numbers. Now we'll be looking at how to find the LCM of three numbers using the method of factorization and using the method by division. So let's look at factorization first. So here factorization simply means we'll prime factorize each of the numbers and then find the lowest common multiple which divides each of these numbers. So let's first factorize 72. So 72, if we factorize, we write 36 here. This becomes 18. So again goes by 2. We're left with 9. This is 3 and 3. So 72 is nothing but 2 cube into 3 square. Okay. Similarly, now writing for doing prime factorization for 576, we divide by 2, we get 288, then 2, we get 144, then 2, we get 72, again 2, we get 36, which is 36 is 2 square into 3 square. So the power of 2 is 6 and it is 3 square. So 576 is 2 raised to power 6 into 3 square. Now we have 900. 900 is basically 9 into 10 square, which is 9 is equal to 3 square and 10 square is 2 square into 5 square. So 2 square into 5 square. Now how do we find the LCM? We look at the highest power of for each of the prime factor. So in this case, the highest power of 2 is clearly 6 from 576. So we can write 6 here. Now into 3, the highest power of 3 is 2, which is in all the three cases in fact. And then we have a 5 also with a power of 2. That is the highest power of 5. So this will be the required LCM of the three numbers 72, 576 and 900. This will come out to be 14,400. Okay. Now similarly, now this is the method of factorization. Basically prime factorize all the three numbers and then find the highest power of each of the prime numbers and then multiply them to get the required LCM. Now we'll be using the method of division. So what we do is here is we first write all the three numbers side by side and now we keep dividing it by prime factors which are at least prime factors of, or not even prime, there could be any factors of at least two of the numbers. So let's try it with 2 first. So we divide 72 by 2, we get 36, 576, we get 288 and 450. Now it will again go by 2, we get 18, 144 and 225. Okay. Now it will not go, we can still take 2 because 2 of the numbers at least are divisible by 2. So this is 9, 72 and 225. Now we can now take 3 because these two numbers are divisible by 3. We take 3 here, we are left with 3. 72 is 2, 12, 4 and 225. So 225 is also in fact divisible by 3. So we can write it as 7 and 15, which is 5. Now we can again divide it by 3. We will get 1, 8 and 25. So now what we are left with is 1, 8 and 25. They have no common factors. So the LCM would be nothing but we multiply these numbers and the remaining ones. So LCM here would be, so we have 2 raised to power 3 here and 3 square. So 2 raised to power 3 into 3 square into 8 into 25. Now 8 is 2 raised to power 3. So 2 raised to power 3 into 2 raised to power 3 is 2 raised to power 6 into 3 square into 5 square. 25 is 5 square. This will again come out to be 14,400, which is the same answer which we got from the method of factorization. So these are the two methods of finding the LCM of two or more numbers.